How to make Discord roles. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now first of all, you have to go up, and as you go, you have to go on the Discord application. As you go on the Discord application, then you have to go on the server that you want to put any role, and you should be admin of that server. Then you have to click on these three lines that are located up above, and then you have to scroll down and go to settings option. In the settings option, you have to scroll down and go to roles option, and in the roles option there is an option of create role. I can create whatever role, I can name it, I can do whatever step I want, and I have to select it, and then I have to select the member I want to give the role, and then I can finish it. This is how I can make Discord roles on mobile. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.